Hey, what is going on? My name is Norbert and welcome to the Complete JavaScript Array Methods series. In this video, we're going to learn about the reduce method. As always, the code is down in the description below, so if you wish to just follow along, then just grab onto the code, copy it, and just follow along with what I'm doing. If you wish to code along, then please feel free to do so. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I post new content like this on a regular basis. Also, if you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and help out that YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, please consider them leaving them down in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into the video. So let's see what the reduce method does, which reduces the array to a single value. The reduce method executes the provider function for each value of the array from left to right. Also, the return value of the function is stored in an accumulated result/total. Now, please note that the reduce does not execute the functions of an array with elements without values, and also this method does not change the original array. Okay, now let's start up by creating an array of users. And within here, we're going to pass in a couple of objects as users. So I'm just going to copy this in. Each user is going to have a name and age and income. And now let's start separating them. First of all, let's try and get from this array, this original array, another array which only is going to have incomes. So let's say const, say users income. Now we're going to grab onto the original array of users. We're going to use our met method in order to return the user. And from this, we're going to return the user.income. So we have a totally new array. You can console log it here, which is only going to return the incomes. Now we need to create a reducible callback function for the total amount of incomes. So let's say const get total income, which will take in two arguments. We're going to take in the total and a number. So I'm just going to call this num. Okay, now within here, we're going to just return the total plus that number. So if I would now console log our users income, and to this we can now apply the reduce method, which is going to execute the callback function, the get total income, and from where should it get it? From 0. Okay, so if I do this, then it's going to be 400 plus 300 plus 500 plus 800, which is going to be 2000. Now if I would change one of them, let's say we have to have here 900, as you can see, we're going to get 2100. Now let's use the same thing. Now let's use the same method on ages. So let's create another array of users age. Going to go in our initial array, use the map method again, going to return a user.age, and now I'm just going to change this to just get total, so it won't be confusing. We're going to use the same function, and now we can get the average age of our users. So let's create here const get average age, and we're going to assign this to a callback function, which is going to take in an array, and then we'll return the array dot reduce. We're going to call upon our get total, is going to start at 0, and we're going to divide it by the array dot length. Okay, so now if I would console log, let's go up here, get average age, and pass in here the user's age, going to get 12.25. Well, that's the average user age. Also, I could do the same thing for average income. So yeah, I'm going to leave it as it is, but I'm going to use here the user income. So pass in here the user income, which is going to result in an average income of 525. Okay, so as you can see, this is pretty useful if you want to get averages or if you want to get a total sum of well, multiple elements in an array. So hope you understand now the reduce method, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.